Okay, just a quick video on how to set up the accelerometers to tell you different telemetry outputs. So I've got my F18 here. I'll show you what to do. Go to menu. You get this one here. It's timers and sensors. Voice output. First thing I do is I've got my timer right now on one of the accelerometers. So I go up here to timer, and over here I select the switch. Right now I've got GY, so I'll show you how you set up GY. Okay, so you'll come to this screen right here. You're going to hit the G sends. And I'm going to find out what accelerometer that is whenever I flip it up. So if I flip it up like this,
Timer, 20 minutes,
you can see that
seconds.
GY axis Y.
Timer, 20 minutes, 36
So I'm going
seconds.
to GY is the one. So I'm going to go down here and select this one and hit OK. So now if I flip it up and down, that should go from an X to a check mark.
Timer, 20
see
minutes,
that?
36 seconds.
That's good. I can hit OK. So now my timer is on the axis if you flip the transmitter up like this, the Y axis. Next I'm going to go down. There's different stuff in here that you can experiment with. I'm going to go down to single voice announcements, and this was blank. I hit add. I hit add twice. The first one is here, so I'm going to, what I did is I selected my pressure sensor, and the switch is the X. So I'll clear it and show you how you set that up. So again, you go to G sends. Now this one I want it to happen whenever I flip the transmitter like this.
Pressure, 0 PSI.
And if you look,
Pressure, 0
it's the bottom
PSI.
one. It's this GLX x-axis right here. Good. I'm going to hit OK. Now if I flip it like this,
Pressure,
you can
0
see it goes from
PSI.
an X to a check mark.
Pressure, 0 PSI.
And then I do the same to, I set up a speed one. You can set up whatever you want. You could set up a temperature if you wanted, if you have temperature sensors. So I set up speed. I went down. These are all my different sensors that I've got on the F18. So I had set up speed, and I had set up on this one, I had set up the GZ axis. So I'm going to go, I'll clear it and show you how. Go to G sends. Now if I take the transmitter and I rotate it like this,
Speed, 0
you can see the
meters per hour. Speed, 0
it's the
kilometers
GZ
per hour.
that activates. So I'm going to go down here to GZ. I'm going to hit OK. Now if I rotate this quick, sorry,
Speed, 0
goes from an
kilometers
X
per hour. Speed,
to a check
0
mark.
kilometers per hour.
So I've got pressure if I flip the radio one way, speed if I flip the radio the other way, and then I've got timer if I flip the radio the third way. So basically now the way it works,
Kilometers per hour.
I'll go up
Timer, 20 minutes, 36 seconds.
and I'll flip this way.
Pressure, 0 PSI.
So I have 0 PSI, I have a timer, and I have so many kilometers an hour on my speed. Not sure why speeds don't work in here.
Speed 0
There we go.
kilometers